In this tip, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a station offset report for COGO points and for survey points. In this example here, I've got a horizontal alignment that's going to be my alignment that has the stationing. And you can see here I've got some COGO points along the side. And I want to get the offsets left and right along this station alignment here. So to generate that, I'm just going to go to my Home tab. I'm going to go to my reports and I'm going to go point feature station offset elevation report. When I select that, it's going to ask me to locate the baseline, and then it's going to ask me to locate the offset element. And then I can pick a second element, and then when I'm done, I can do a right click and it'll open up the Bentley Civil browser with the station and offset information for me. But say I had a few more points I wanted to grab and I didn't want to pick them individually. To do that, what I'm going to do is clear my selection set, and I'm going to go into my OpenRoads model in my Project Explorer. I'm going to select the points, all the points, holding down the Shift key that I want to select. So now I've created a selection set prior to running the report. So when I go and run the report right now, I go to Point Feature Station Offset Elevation Report, and still asking me to locate the baseline element. And then it's going to ask me to do a data point or left click to accept the selected elements. So that's why I wanted to create that selection set prior. So now that I get that, I can get all the points, descriptions, stations, offset left and right, elevation, and features. So that's how you create a COGO point station offset report. The next thing I want to show you is creating a survey point report too. So with this data set, I actually do have a survey topo here. So I'm just going to turn on that topo here for a second and clean up my levels here. I just want to get rid of a few things here. So I'm going to turn off some levels. So now you can just see the survey points that I'm looking at. So you can see here I've got a survey point, and again with these what I want to do is create a selection set of those survey points, and I'm just going to do create a bounding box left to right so it's everything inside, and create a selection set and run that same report. So I'm running the same report through a reference file, station offset. I'm going to go station offset, locate the same baseline, and then data point to accept the selection set. And you can see here I get the points added, I get their stations, I get their offsets, and I get your elevations in here too. So that's how you create a station offset report for both COGO points and survey points. Thanks for watching.